This following problem will be solved algebraically and numerically. The only thing that we need to do in this type of problems is substitute the limit that is indicated in our equation. In this case, the limit as x approaches to 2. In our equation, x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x over 6 minus 3x. Our first step is to substitute our 2 for the number that is indicated in your equation. In this case, we have 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 over 6 minus 3 times 2, which gives us 0 over 0, which means it's undefined. Then, after we do this, we proceed to solving the equation algebraically. First, by taking out the x as a common term. So we're left with an x squared minus 4x plus 4, and we do the same with our denominator. We take up the 3, so we get a 3 minus x. Don't forget to rewrite your limit and your x as it approaches to the number that is indicated. After this, you have to do difference of squares. And in here, we can clearly see that x minus 2 is repeated, so we cancel those terms. It's very important that you know which terms are going to be canceled. Then we rewrite our equation with the leftover numbers, and the only thing that we're missing to do is substitute once again your number, which in this case it's 2, so we're going to get 2 times 2 minus 2 over 3, which will give us 2 times 0 over negative 3 equals 0 over 3, and we rewrite our complete equation to express our answer, which is the limit as x approaches to 2 of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x over 6 minus 3x equals 0. Our next problem will be solved by definition. This type of problems are a little bit longer and take more time, but they're not hard. Our equation here is 4x cubed minus 2x plus pi. Our first step here is very important to know your formula, which in this case is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So in this step, we must put our equation satisfying our formula, which in this case would be 4 times x plus h cubed minus 4x minus 2x plus h plus pi over h. It's important that we don't forget to put our h, or division of h. After we're doing this, you have to multiply our terms together. So in this case, it will be 4x cubed plus 4xh minus 2x plus h plus pi. And then again, we put our division by h. After this, we need to check which numbers are able to be cancelled and which numbers have common terms. You must check very carefully so you don't miss any of the numbers. As we can see in the video, we're canceling terms that we no longer need. And those are the numbers that we need to continue our equation. We cancel there. And then again, our division by h is really important. After we do that step, we rewrite our equation with the numbers that are left and our division by h. Then we take out our h as a common factor and put our division of h and look for numbers that can be cancelled with the variable h. The only step missing here is to see how the numbers can be added together or separated. And this is how you solve an equation by definition.